What's up, guys? This is Sanjeevan, and you're watching me on my channel Cancerian Captures. And right now, I am standing at the Chapora Fort, a very well known fort, also known for the Dil Chata Hai Fort. So, this is the view. If you can come down a little bit from the fort, from the front, we have the whole ocean, and it just looks mesmerizing. So, if you ever visit Goa, do come over here, visit this fort, and make memories. Ciao.
सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की शुरुआत छपौरा फोर्ट से। सुबह जल्दी उठ के ब्रेकफास्ट करने के बाद हम पहुंच गए छपौरा फोर्ट। लोकेटेड एट द नॉर्दर्न साइड ऑफ द गोवा Bardays, the fort overlooks the Chapora River and it's only 700 meters away from Wagatar Beach. Best option to travel till here? Hire a taxi or just simply rent a scooty. This fort has a very interesting tale of its ownership and creation. Firstly, it was built in 1612 by a Muslim king named Shahpura of Bijapur. His original name was Adil Shah. This fort earlier had rough patches that made it difficult to hike. However, now proper trails and roads are laid down for travelers like us. The best moment to explore Chapora Fort is during late afternoon when the sun is not directly over your head. The weather still gets too hot to bear in the afternoon, especially at the hilltops. Well, what to say about the architecture? The fort is the only laterite in the village of Chapora. Its walls follows the natural slopes and drops of the peninsula. This makes them steep and difficult to climb. There was once a church dedicated to Saint Anthony that stood within the walls. However, it's no longer standing. There were also barracks and officers' quarters to house the defenders within the fort's wall, little of which remains today. The fort is a monument rich in historical lore and intrigue. Of course, none of this can be seen in what remains of the fortification today. It is left instead to the ingenuity and imagination of the observer. What the fort does offer is a great view of the sunset, since it has limitless view of the Arabian Sea from its western walls and a spectacular view of peninsula, the river and the beaches. Well guys, we really had a very good time exploring this fort, and just to give you a little fun fact, I really didn't knew that the Dil Chata Hai movie was shot over here. So whenever you're traveling to Goa, do come over here, see by yourself, experience by yourself. और फाइनली पूरा दिन छपोरा फोर्ट में गुजारने के बाद हम निकल पड़े अपना ट्रेडिशन निभाने, जो कि है बीच पे जाना। गोवा के इन सुंदर सुंदर रास्तों से होते हुए हम जा रहे हैं अंजुना बीच। Anjuna Beach provides you with some of the stunning scenery and photographic view during sunrise and sunset. The combination of the white sand and the scintillating blue sea create an unbeatable view. Also guys, do not miss the flea market at the beach. It captivates a large number of tourists to crowd this place every Wednesday. You get an excellent deal if you are an expert in bargaining. So try it. So friends, आज के लिए इतना ही। लाइक, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकन। सी यू सून with a new vlog with a new place.